Searching for a reliable cargo service from Dubai to Pakistan? Look no further. Express Cargo Service is here to deliver your needs swiftly and efficiently. Imagine a service that takes the hassle out of shipping, where commercial and household items are handled with utmost care and delivered right at your doorstep. That's Express Cargo Service for you. From Dubai's bustling cityscape to the heart of Pakistan, your cargo is in secure hands. Express Cargo Service stands out with its efficiency. Time is money, and we understand that better than anyone. Our air service ensures your cargo reaches its destination in record time. No delays, no excuses, just prompt service every time. Yet speed doesn't mean compromising on affordability. Express Cargo Service is committed to providing premium service without the premium price tag. We've struck a balance between speed and cost, ensuring our clients get the best value for their money. But what makes Express Cargo Service truly shine is our trustworthiness. With over 98,000 satisfied customers, our track record speaks for itself. We're not just a cargo service, we're a reliable partner you can count on. In a nutshell, Express Cargo Service offers an efficient, affordable, and trustworthy cargo service from Dubai to Pakistan. We handle both commercial and household items with the same level of dedication and care. Remember, shipping shouldn't be a chore. With Express Cargo Service, it's a smooth, hassle-free experience from start to finish. Visit our website at www.expresscargoservice.site to learn more about our offerings. Express Cargo Service, delivering trust, one package at a time.